Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. Well, I'm back. A little bit sooner than I expected to be, but I just couldn't stay away. I just missed y'all too much. My voice is almost all the way back. Not entirely, but almost. I've got some water here close by, so if I need to lubricate my throat as I go, I can. And I promise if I need to, I'll turn the video off and do it off camera so I won't be gulping in y'all's ears. I guess I can't say that my surgery was entirely successful. I came through it, so that's good. But they were not able to accomplish everything they needed to, which means I'm going to have to go to a different surgeon who is more of a specialist and have another surgery. I don't know when. I have an appointment with him on June the 6th. I don't know if that's for the actual surgery or just to like a pre-op thing. They're supposed to call me with the details, so I don't know yet. I hope it's for the actual surgery because I would like to get it over with, because his office is like 2 hours away from me one way, and I don't travel all that well, so I would like to get it all over with and done, you know. The only other surgery I have ever had was like 25 years ago. I had my gallbladder out, and of course I was much younger and healthier then, so I knew this surgery would be a little bit harder to get over than that one was, but I didn't expect it to be the way it has been. I cannot get my energy back. I have just had the hardest time getting my energy back. It's just been really hard, and I think that this next surgery is going to be a little bit more invasive than the one that I just had, so it will probably be even harder to get over, but I'll get through it and it'll be fine. I have made a few pieces while I've been over the last few days, once I was able to get up and around. Not as many as I wanted to make because, like I said, I just didn't have any energy, but I've made a few pieces that I wanted to show you all. This is cubic right angle weave. I really enjoy doing cubic right angle weave, and I hadn't done it in a while. These are just some 4mm Chinese crystal, blue Chinese crystal beads that I had, and some 8/0 galvanized champagne seed beads made into a cubic right angle weave bracelet. And I didn't have it in the camera there, so you probably couldn't see it very well. But I just really enjoy doing cubic right angle weave. And then I have a pair of earrings. Now these don't go with the bracelet, they don't match, but they are also cubic right angle weave. These are some little 3mm black fire polish beads that I had, and some of 11/0 silver, galvanized silver 11/0 seed beads that I used to make these. And it's also cubic right angle weave that I just made into a circle, made some hoop earrings. So that's that. Hold on and let me get something else and take a sip of my water, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got some peyote bracelets here that I made. I bought these patterns on Etsy quite a while back, and I just had never got around to making them. And I'll see if I can find the store on Etsy that I bought these from, if it's still there, and put it in the description box below in case y'all want to check it out. I could never come up with a pattern like this. I can do some very simple patterns using the peyote graph paper, but something as intricate as this, I could never come up with the actual pattern. So I bought these patterns and I made them over the last few days. And then I have this one. I didn't have exactly the right colors that this one called for, so I had to substitute a few colors on this one. And I didn't notice until I laid these out here, I made these earrings. These are just right angle weave. They're like this ring that I made the video on, except instead of doing 16 boxes, I did 9 boxes and embellished it with bicones on the front and the back. And they're pink. I don't know if you can tell that in the camera, but they're pink, and put a little drop at the bottom there. And I didn't notice till I laid these out here, but they kind of match that little bracelet there pretty well. But I didn't notice that until I laid them out here. But like I said, I'll see if that store is still on Etsy where I bought these patterns and link it in the description box below in case y'all want to check it out. So hold on, let me get something else out here. This is a necklace that I made. It's stringing, and it was with the GGC's treasure bag that I got a few months back. I was trying to look on the paper here to see what all these beads are. These larger ones here in the center are the Austrian crystal beads. I don't know if they were the 9x7 or the 12x6. Probably the 9x7. The one in the middle there is an aqua color, blue aqua color. These two are clear. They don't really look all that clear though, because I put some gunmetal colored bead caps on them there. And then these are the little 3mm spacer beads that were in the box, and the sky blue cube beads, I think these were called. And then the blue 6mm bicones. And then these little black beads, they're 4mm, and there's one that says silver gray faceted glass, and there's one that says half black plated faceted glass. I'm not sure which one these are. Probably the half black plated faceted glass, I guess is what those are. I'm not sure. But I just strung that, and then I used most of the rest of the chain I had that was in the box, and one of the toggles that was in the box. I usually put a lobster clasp on necklaces, but I just decided I wanted to use one of the toggles. I hadn't used any of them yet. So that's that one. Hold on, and I've got one more necklace and pair of earrings. Okay, this one is a right angle weave necklace that I made, and I made it into a V. These are I've got up here at the top, those same 4mm, I guess half black plated 4mm beads. And then these bigger beads are the 6x6mm opaque blue half black plated rondelle beads. And then I used some gunmetal 11/0s and in between the beads here when I did the right angle weave there. And then on top here, I've embellished the top of them with some 15/0 gunmetal seed beads and some little 3mm aqua colored bicones that I had. And just embellished it all the way there and made it into a V. And then added some chain that I had in my stash because I was out of the chain that came in the box. I used it all, and then I have a little lobster clasp there with an extender chain. And then I had a couple of the beads left, so I just made a simple little pair of earrings here to go with it. So hold on, let me see if I can get this all in one picture, and I'll be back. Okay, so there's everything I've been up to the last few days. I meant to say I wanted to thank all of you who have sent me your thoughts and prayers and sent me emails and comments and checked on me. It really means a lot to me. It really does. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook and Instagram and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, hope you all have a great day. Take care.